In this lesson, we are going to learn the significance of head. What are the different elements which go inside the head? What each of which signifies? Let's learn all those things right now. Hi, I'm Sharma. Head is another main part of HTML structure. In head, links to other documents such as CSS, JavaScript, and contain information about what the content is all about, and encoding formats, and title of the page. Mainly, head is a non-visual content which make the web page work. After HTML tag, we write head tags. I talked about attributes in previous lesson. Attributes provides additional information. Like we can write language attribute in HTML tag so that it will tell the web browsers or screen readers which language we are using. I'm gonna write EN as its value because I'm using English. First we need to do few things. We need to tell which encoding we are doing, what is the title of web page. To tell which encoding we are doing, we use meta tag. In that meta tag, we use character set attribute. UTF-8 is a common encoding format we are using. If we are using any other languages like Japanese or Chinese, then we need to go to other encoding formats. If we need to tell what is this document all about, we are using attribute called name and its value is description. To describe about this document, we need to write another attribute called content. In that content, we will write the description about this document. Let's do it. This is about basic structure. We will learn about the meta tag in depth in future lessons. Let's write the title for this document. We'll open title tag and write title as creating basic structure. If the title is not present, the browser will show untitled document. So don't forget to write title. By using link tag, we are going to connect external JavaScript or external style sheet to the document. We will discuss all those things in depth in future chapters. In this lesson, we learned about some character encoding using meta tags and describing the content using meta tag, as well as we learned how to write title for the document. In the next lesson, we will learn about another important structure, that is body. So stay tuned to our channel and subscribe.